Hey everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Now here at Chef Dawg we like to review Costco food and then we try it at the end and then sometimes it gets fun, so make sure you watch it all the way through, okay? Today what we're going to do is chicken Marsala. Bought this at Costco. That's the brand Framani. I hope I said that right. If I didn't, anybody that speaks Italian, if that's even Italian, you know, you can comment below. But anyway, chicken Marsala, boneless white chicken with mushrooms and Marsala wine. No antibiotics ever, and 22 grams of protein. It comes in a pack of 2. I only have 1 in here because the other one, we figured we'd probably just eat 1. And but it comes in 2 packs. Okay, so this is an easy one. You take this pack. I have my frying pan. I'm going to put it on a medium heat, and all we do is put it in and heat it up. The instructions say you want to cook it for 5 to 6 minutes, and then after that you can serve. Now what I did also is I made some brown rice in my brown rice cooker, so it's ready to go because I'll put this on top of that. That's what it looks like right now, and I'll put it in the frying pan. You can see how much we get in just a single pack. There's your chunks of chicken. They're pre-cooked, so really it is just heat and serve. So far it smells good. I'm just chopping up the chunks of chicken so that when we eat it, you know, everybody gets a bunch of it. Okay, I've had it in here for just a little over a minute, or it's been probably 2 minutes. It's cooking fairly quick. In fact, I turned it down to low on my gas cooktop here because it was starting to stick to the sides a little bit, and I don't want it to stick to the sides. Lots of chicken though in this. Smells good. See, I just didn't want it to stick to those corners like it was. I think we're pretty close. I'm gonna say it's ready, so I'm gonna turn it down even lower. And then I'm gonna put I'll use a real big one even though it doesn't go with it, but just to keep the heat in. Turn that down. Okay, so I'm gonna let it simmer there for just a little bit longer because the instructions say 5 to 6 minutes. In my opinion, it's already cooked within a couple, but I've turned it on low and covered it now, which it did say to cover. So I have brown rice, it's ready. I did 2 cups of it, and I also mixed in there a little bit of bouillon, and then I put butter as well after, as it was sitting here to stay warm. You can comment down below if you want, if you want me to do a review on this. Got my brown rice plated. Oh yeah, looks delicious. Again, it's chicken Marsala, so you can put this over, you know, whatever you like. Preferably in my case, it's a pasta, and I'm a fan of rice. So there you go. This was one of the fastest meals we've ever done here on Chef Dawg. It's as easy as it gets. You heat it up. So now, the taste test. I'm gonna put that on here. That's probably enough, right? So you can see, that's a plate full, and that's how much I have left. So depending on who you're feeding, or how many you're feeding, that would be a meal for me. You know, I'm about 5'11", 190 pounds. That would be enough. So depending on who else is in with the family eating, that's what I have left over. So this probably is not enough for my family. Knowing this, I would do both pouches for a family of 4, but then I would have leftovers, I'm sure. But this is definitely enough for 2 or 3 people. I always like to put a little pepper and salt. I'll get a little bit of salt on there, a bit of pepper. Brecklin loves pepper. It looks good, it smells good. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. So, I would definitely give this a thumbs up. Again, you know how I do this like that. It's good. I like it. I like it a lot. I love chicken Marsala anyways. That hearty of a meal, that quick, and that good, it is good. So I highly recommend it. Okay, hon. Now my wife and my daughter, tell me what you think. Now I actually think you'll like it, hon. Usually I can call this out pretty quick. There are mushrooms in there.
Well, I just won't eat it.
Oh, she doesn't know she likes brown rice. Of course. What do you think?
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, she gave it a really good. Hey, now that's coming from her. That's a big deal. And this is Brecklin, our 11-year-old, my beautiful 11-year-old daughter. Okay, give it a shot. Get a big, scoop it. What do you, yes, no? Is it good for kids? Oh, half? Kinda? You'd eat it? Okay. Well, any 11-year-olds watching it, and apparently our fan base is quite young. I didn't know that, but yeah, I like it.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, good. Okay, everybody, well, there's another review from Chef Dawg. The price on this, I cannot remember, and I looked it up, and I have a heck of a time trying to find prices on these things after I buy them. If I were to guess, I'd say it's somewhere probably right around 15 bucks, if I remember right, something like that, but you can get these at Costco, and they must have different lines, because as I looked online, this same brand had a bunch of different. So I'm going to actually probably end up buying others and trying them out, because this one's really good, so I'm assuming they'd be too. Okay, well, hey, thanks again for watching Chef Dawg. Remember to like, share. We appreciate your support here at Chef Dawg. Our fan base is growing, right? We're getting more people every day, it feels like, so thank you so much. Anyways, have a good one. Talk to you later.